Hey creator, in today's video, we're gonna be diving into one of my favorite marketing strategies of all time to help run your business on autopilot, email automation. I'm Angel Marie, creator educator at ConvertKit. Let's get started. Somewhere along every creator's journey, there comes a point where trading time for money no longer feels sustainable. It's at this point that creators turn to digital products as a solution. Now, digital products could mean courses, memberships, or digital downloads that allow creators to share their expertise without giving away nearly as much of their time. But in order to scale your digital product business, you have to scale your marketing. And one of the best ways to do this is through the use of email automation. Email automation allows you to send targeted messages to your audience without needing to be available 24/7, hence running your business on autopilot. Now, if you currently sell digital products, or if you want to sell digital products in the near future, you could implement one out of these 4 automations within your business. A welcome sequence, where you introduce yourself, what you do, and you set those expectations. A lead magnet sequence, where you give away something for free first and then convert those subscribers into paying customers later. An onboarding sequence, where you bring those buyers through a smooth journey of understanding how to use your product or service. And a launch sequence, where you're promoting your digital product launches. Let's go ahead and hop into a quick demo of ConvertKit that walks you through how to set up a launch sequence automation in ConvertKit this very week. To prepare your audience for your product or service launch in ConvertKit, all you're going to do is click on the Automations tab. From there, click New Automation, and then click Create Automation. Now, in this case, we're going to set up a waitlist landing page to get our potential buyers to join our email list first and then pitch them on our product or service when it's ready to launch. So make sure that it's highlighted on Joins a Form, and then head down here to plus Create a New Form. Next, click Landing Page, and then you'll be redirected to choose your landing page template. Now, you can even get more specific with the template and the design by filtering by category. Now, when you're ready, go ahead and choose the landing page that you prefer. Next, this is where your beautiful customization comes into play. I always recommend heading up here and renaming your landing page so that you easily know where to go back and find it in your account. Now, anywhere you click on this landing page, you'll notice the right side coincides with that so that you can edit accordingly. This is where you can edit the headline, subtitle, image, background, color, and so much more. When you're done designing your landing page, you're going to want to set up an automated way for people to confirm their waitlist spot. To do this, just head up here to Settings, go to Incentive, Edit Email Contents, and you'll notice that it already has a confirm your subscription wording in here, but you can customize that. So in this case, we might want to say confirm your waitlist spot. Now you can customize the email content, and you can even customize this button as well. When you're done customizing this automated confirmation email, just go ahead and click Save, and that incentive email will be good to send right away as soon as people sign up on your waitlist landing page. Now, when you're ready to save and to share this landing page to get people on the waitlist, just make sure that you hit Save and Publish, and then you can head back here to your landing page, click Share, and this is your landing page link that you can start sharing with others to automatically get them on your waitlist. Now that we've created our waitlist landing page, let's head back to our initial automation. Now, what it's showing us is that we've created the start of this automation to get people to join our landing page. What we're going to want to do next is to mark a date for when our product or service actually launches. So head down here to the plus button, click Event, click Date Occurs, and put in the date that you're planning to launch your product and service along with the time as well. From here, click Add Event. Now, what's going to happen is those that are on your waitlist will not be moved through this automation until your date, your product launch date that you've inserted in this automation. Next, let's set up our sales sequence so that we can pitch our offer to those on our waiting list. All you're going to do is head to this plus button, make sure it's on Action, click Email Sequence, and you can create a brand new email series by just typing in a title, or you can search for one that you might have already created in the past, as I have done here. From there, click Add Action. So now what we have is those that are coming in on our waitlist are going to be brought through a series of sales pitch emails right when this date begins. If you want to head inside this email series, you can just click on it and you can edit the emails accordingly. Make sure that these emails, since they're going to be pitching on your product or service, make sure that they link to your product or service so those people on your waitlist can purchase it. Now, if you're using ConvertKit Commerce to link in your products or services in this email series, all you're going to do is head up here to the Products tab in your ConvertKit account and click New Product if you haven't already created your product page. From there, go ahead and give it a name, give it a price, click Next. You're going to clarify what kind of product this is, click Next, and then you're going to give it a URL. From here, click Create Product. Then it's going to redirect you to customize your product page that your people on the waitlist are going to be redirected to. You can also customize the checkout page, the confirmation page, and the receipt emails that your buyers will receive. Now, when you're ready to launch your product page, you're just going to click Publish, copy this link, and this is your product link that you are going to place inside of your sales sequence living in this automation. Make sure that each email in this series, the status is changed from draft to active, clarifying when you want these emails to be sent from the previous email. And when you're all done, you're just going to click Save All. Once those on our waitlist receive our sales sequence emails starting on our product launch date, we might want to target those who actually purchase. To do this, you're going to click on that plus button, head to Event, click Product Purchased, and then you're going to connect the ConvertKit Commerce product that you have recently just created. Next, click Add Event. So what we're having right here is that those who join our waitlist landing page will automatically be pitched a series of sales emails when our product launches. Then ConvertKit will automatically tag those that actually purchase your course or your product that was linked in the series automatically. From here, you can even connect another email sequence that specifically goes out to your buyers, welcoming them into your community, thanking them for purchasing your product, and even bringing them through a smooth journey of effectively using your product or service successfully. So this full automation that we have here is for the purpose of preparing your audience and running your business on autopilot when your product or service is ready to launch. Now, to make this work for you continuously, just go ahead and turn this automation from paused to on, and you are good to go. And there you have it, a digital product launch automation ready to go. If you'd like to give it a try by testing and creating automations for yourself, you can sign up right down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.